Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this puzzle named Same Sum Sudoku by Slovakian author Martina Primerová. It was featured in round 2 of Sudoku Grand Prix, and you can see that the diagonal has pentominoes drawing WPF for World Puzzle Federation. So what is happening here? Here you have shaded regions inside each of the 3x3 blocks, and in each of these regions the digits must sum to the same total. This was worth 40 points, which means mid to low difficulty, low medium difficulty for a variant. And actually, when I tested the puzzles, I found a very quick solution, because I found that when you must find the common sum to those regions, you must focus on minimum and maximum. So a small region must have a low maximum, a big region must have a high minimum. So for example, here, without using the 2, the minimum is achieved with 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, which makes a total of 19. And with 3 digits, the maximum will be achieved here without using the 8 with 3, 7, 9, which is also 19. So looking at this, you can find that the sum is 19, which means that those are 7 and 9 as well. And by the way, we can remove options here. And here we need a total of 10, which can still be 2, 7, or 3, 8. Here we need a total of 12. Without using those digits, there must be 4, 8. Here we have 19 plus 15, that's 34. So those 2 digits. I'm feeling like I'm looking for something too difficult. But perhaps I should just focus. I should just focus on the puzzle. So this 4 place is a 1 here. Oh, 1 or 5, sorry. I mean, completely inarticulate there. So here we need another, here we have a 19. With this, that's 33, so we need another 12. It doesn't look so promising. So it must probably not be the place to look. Oh, just Sudoku places a 3 there. So as I say, 19 plus 7 plus 8 plus 34. So those 2 digits must sum to 11. This is a high digit, so this is 6 or 9. And this is 2 or 5. Here we need 7, 8, and 9. So this is from 8, 9. This is from 7, 8. 7, 8, 9. But we can see that here we have 7, 8, 9 triple, in which 8 is in there. So that is actually 9, which disambiguates a lot. Okay, now this column needs 1, 4, 6. Okay. Could 9 be here? If 9 is here, then those 4 digits must sum to 10, which is impossible. 10 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 goes there. So we have 19 plus this plus that, that's 34. Again, those 2 digits must sum to 11 without using those, so there can still be 3 and 8, or 7 and 4. Then in all cases 2 goes there. Here those 2 digits sum to 10. They can still be, actually now we know that they include a 2, so they must be 2 and 8. Now 8 is nowhere here. It's nowhere here, so 8 is there on this row. That's not a 4. This row needs 1, 3, 4, 5, so this is from 1, 4. This is from 1, 4, 5. This is from 3, 4. Now this column needs 6 and 7. Now we have already 15, so this is a 4. That's 1. That's 6. That's 4. Here we need 2, 6, and 8. Here we need 5, 9, and 8. This row needs a 1. And those 2 digits are the digits that are not in use here. So this is from 2 and 5, and this is from 6 and 9. So where do we look now? 4 is not here, so it must be there. I mentioned that those 2 digits must sum to 11, so this is 7. That's a 3. That's a 3. Those are now 8 and 3. Turning this into a 5. And we get the 7 on this column. That's an 8, that's a 7, that's a 2, that's an 8. Those are 1, 4, and 5. That's not a 4. This row still needs 6 and 9. By the way, this 4 makes this a 1. Here we need 2 and 3. What did I say? We need 2 and 5, which means 2 here, 5 there. This is 2, this is 5. Those 2 digits must sum to 11, so this is 6, this is 9. 9, 8, 2, and 6. 6 here, 9 there. Down there, we need the 3 and the 6, which means that this is 8, this is 3. 7 on this row can only be here. The column needs a 4. Here we have 17, so that's a 2, that's a 1. Here we need 2 and 8. Here that's a 1, which should disambiguate a lot, I think. And that's a 5. Alright, so I fiddled about in the beginning and didn't go straight to the point, which is globally consistent with the 40 points, I think. So this is a way of solving this puzzle, which was on the easy side of the variance in this round, and it's a good thing that a proper round contain both easier puzzles and harder puzzles. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.